Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to print vibrant, high-quality images and designs directly onto a wide range of materials, from wood and acrylic to metal, glass, and even leather. Sounds like a game changer, right? That's exactly what the OMTech Spectra Pro A3 Plus UV printer offers, and I'm excited to share my hands-on experience with you. First, let's talk about printing efficiency. The OMTech Spectra Pro A3 Plus UV printer is a beast when it comes to speed, offering a commercial printing speed of 2.4 meters per hour, with a printhead speed of 400 millimeters per second and acceleration of 1,770 millimeters per second. What does this mean for you? It means you can complete more orders faster, improving your daily production efficiency and taking your business to the next level. Whether you're a small startup or an established company, the ability to produce high-quality prints quickly is essential, and this printer delivers. Now, let's move on to the professional print quality and ink technology. The OMTech Spectra Pro A3 Plus UV printer supports CMYK plus white plus gloss / varnish printing, combined with an open ink platform and professional UV inks. This means you can achieve vivid colors, strong surface abrasion resistance, and excellent adhesion durability, all without being locked into expensive proprietary ink systems. The open ink platform gives you the freedom to choose your own inks, saving you money and giving you more control over your printing process. Plus, with the ability to print high-quality commercial products, you can expand your business offerings and attract new customers. Another key feature of the OMTech Spectra Pro A3 Plus UV printer is its large format desktop printing capabilities. With a printing area of 13.8 by 17.7 inches and a print height of 5.5 inches, you can directly print on a wide range of materials, from small items like phone cases and coasters to larger items like signs and panels. This opens up a world of possibilities for your customization business, allowing you to offer unique and personalized products that set you apart from the competition. Whether you're printing on wood, acrylic, metal, glass, or leather, the OMTech Spectra Pro A3 Plus UV printer makes it easy to achieve professional-looking results. But what really sets this printer apart is its smart and easy printing features. With AI HD image optimization, automatic background removal, and one-click white ink and gloss printing, you can reduce manual adjustments and improve your workflow efficiency. This means you can focus on what matters most, creating amazing designs and growing your business. The printer also includes automatic printhead cleaning and a protective white ink circulation system, which helps reduce clogging risk and keeps your printheads in healthy working condition. Plus, with GRE and GUARD Gold certified low VOC inks, you can feel good about the environmental impact of your printing operations. In conclusion, the OMTech Spectra Pro A3 Plus UV printer is an incredible piece of technology that can take your business to the next level. With its high printing efficiency, professional print quality, large format desktop printing capabilities, and smart and easy printing features, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints quickly and easily. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to learn more about the OMTech Spectra Pro A3 Plus UV printer and discover how it can help you achieve your business goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing operations and take your business to new heights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.